Yarn Trail was an intergenerational project, bring the youth with our lovely knitting nanas in the borough with the sheltered accommodation, and that was how it started. Wellbeing groups were created in all our comprehensive schools and also within 14 plus team, social services, and also in our centres. Something that started quite small flourished into over 40 groups and over 400 people. Literally every aspect of the community was joined together, and we filled Edwelty Park with all the creations. There was masses and masses of beautiful stuff. It was just a really positive event, positive partnership working. There's lots of partnerships now still existing because of that.
So young people who are within the alternative provisions are often excluded from the community, so being a part of like a wider community project would just impacted sort of their connection with the community then. The trail was just amazing. It was all the way through Bedwelty Park with different sections, with different animals and things like that. There was like really, really young children from like playgroups as well with like older ladies, and it was just really nice environment and atmosphere.